Our spring series addresses general geriatrics healthcare topics. I'm Barb Cochrane, co-director for UW's Northwest GWEC, and this Geriatric Healthcare Lecture Series is sponsored by the Northwest Geriatrics Workforce Enhancement Center at UW and co-sponsored by UW School of Nursing and the VA Puget Sound Healthcare System. The series is funded by the Health Resources and Services Administration, affectionately known as HRSA. And please join me in acknowledging the Coast Salish peoples of this land, the land that touches the shared waters of all tribes and bands within the Suquamish, Tulalip, and Muckleshoot nations. The Northwest GWEC's mission is to optimize primary care of older adults, and our vision is for everyone to be engaged in supporting older adult health and well-being. And we have a key program objective to transform health systems to be integrated and age-friendly, with a goal to support providers in delivering age-friendly care using the 4 M's. The 4 M's of age-friendly health systems include what matters. Of paramount importance is what matters to the older person. What are their healthcare goals and preferences? Age-friendly care also includes a focus on medication, mentation, and mobility. Each of the 4 M's should be addressed during every healthcare encounter with an older adult. As I mentioned, this spring series is focused on general geriatrics topics, and we will likely cover some aspects of all 4 M's every week. This slide shows our upcoming lectures for this series. A few logistics. Handouts for the lectures are generally posted ahead and accessible through the link to the course page. You see the QR code there. And that's where you can register for the course and then access these resources via your login. You should also have access then via that link to the evaluation survey for each lecture, as well as our lecture database with over 100 lecture recordings from past series. It is a great resource. These links also go out via email to series registrants ahead of the lecture, and I try to remember to post them towards the end of the lecture in the chat box each time. The recording for this lecture should be posted within about 24 to 48 hours. Information about registering for professional continuing education contact hours will be available at the end of the series on that same course page. It's the series details page that you'd want to look at, because it gives you those links. Before or during the presentation, please feel free to click on chat at the bottom of the screen to let us know if you have any technical challenges. And during the last 15 minutes of the lecture, we'll open up the chat box for questions to the presenter. I'll try to remember to put a heads up on that in the chat box towards the end.